As dawn breaks over the horizon of the digital age, a new era beckons. The 5G era, a revolution in connectivity that's reshaping our reality, transforming daily life, and revolutionizing the business landscape. With speeds once deemed futuristic and reliability that seems unfaltering, 5G is not just an upgrade, it's a leap into a future filled with possibilities. 5G, or fifth-generation wireless technology, emerges as the cornerstone of modern connectivity. Imagine downloading decades of knowledge in seconds, doctors performing surgery from continents away, and autonomous vehicles navigating the complexities of urban life with ease. This is the promise of 5G. At the core of smart cities, 5G acts as the neural network, connecting millions of devices, sensors, and systems. From Seoul's intelligent traffic solutions to Singapore's smart utility management, 5G is turning urban spaces into synchronized ecosystems that respond in real time to the needs of their inhabitants. Cities like Helsinki and Barcelona have embraced 5G to enhance public services, reduce environmental footprints, and elevate the quality of urban living, setting new standards for cities worldwide. In healthcare, 5G is breaking down barriers. Telemedicine, powered by 5G, brings specialist care to remote areas, ensures real-time monitoring of chronic conditions, and facilitates medical breakthroughs through instantaneous data sharing. Consider the groundbreaking remote surgeries performed in China, where surgeons in distant locations use 5G to operate with precision, offering a glimpse into a future where access to world-class healthcare is not limited by geography. 5G's influence spans across industries. In manufacturing, it enables the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, creating factories where machines communicate and learn. In agriculture, 5G-connected drones and sensors manage crops with astonishing efficiency. Education transcends physical boundaries, with virtual classrooms offering immersive learning experiences. Retail evolves into an augmented reality, where personalized shopping journeys are not just imagined but realized. From the fields of Iowa, where farmers use 5G to optimize crop yields, to the fashion boutiques of Tokyo, where shoppers try on clothes virtually, 5G is redefining the possibilities within each sector. The ripple effects of 5G extend beyond technological marvels, stimulating economic growth and propelling sustainable solutions. Analysts predict trillions in global economic output, spurred by 5G's capabilities. Moreover, its role in enabling green technologies presents a pathway to a more sustainable future, from smart grids that optimize energy consumption to intelligent transportation systems that reduce emissions. As industries and cities harness 5G's potential, the emphasis on sustainability and efficiency heralds not just a technological, but an environmental revolution. Yet, the path to a fully realized 5G world is strewn with challenges. The infrastructural overhaul required is monumental. Concerns over security and privacy loom large, and the risk of widening the digital divide is real. Balancing these concerns with the potential benefits of 5G is the next frontier for societies worldwide. As we navigate this new era, the promise of 5G extends into the horizon, promising a world where smart transportation networks alleviate urban congestion, IoT devices enhance every aspect of daily life, and advancements in AI and machine learning are accelerated by ultra-fast, reliable data processing capabilities. The global impact of 5G cannot be understated. Nations around the world are racing to deploy 5G networks, recognizing their potential to drive innovation, economic growth, and societal advancement. From South Korea's early adoption and widespread coverage to the European Union's strategic initiatives for a digital single market, the race is on to harness the power of 5G. International cooperation on 5G standards, security, and interoperability is crucial, as the technology touches every corner of the globe. Ensuring a secure, inclusive, and equitable 5G world becomes a shared responsibility. Looking to the horizon, the potential applications of 5G technology are boundless. Imagine holographic communications that bridge the gap between virtual and physical presence, driverless car networks that transform urban mobility, and interconnected cities that respond dynamically to their citizens' needs. This is the future 5G promises. As 5G converges with emerging technologies like blockchain, quantum computing, and biotechnology, we stand on the cusp of a technological renaissance. The fusion of these technologies, powered by the speed and reliability of 5G, will unlock innovations we've yet to dream of. The 5G era is more than just a leap in connectivity. It's a bridge to a future where technology serves humanity in ways we're just beginning to understand. As we venture into this uncharted territory, the promise of 5G to transform daily life and business is not just imminent, it's already unfolding before our eyes. Join us as we explore the frontiers of technology and discover the world of tomorrow, today. Subscribe to stay informed and inspired about the future that 5G is shaping. This is just the beginning.